Beam gifted me their frother, and this is a really nice frother. I have definitely tested a lot of these frothers that just don't feel sturdy. This feels really nice and sturdy in my hand. It actually has kind of a hold for my thumb, or when I'm pressing the button. It has a really nice, strong spin, very, very consistent, and I have control over how fast it's spinning by how much I press the button. And it does actually come with the batteries. It has two AA batteries, so that's really, really nice. And I just want to show you how well this froths. And before I do, I will show that it comes with a little stand. So if you want it sitting on your countertop, you can have it sitting out. This is also really nice once you've made whatever you're making, to just put it somewhere so it can sit out of the way till you can clean it, or so you can air dry it. Now here is just some 2% milk. Let me show you how well this works. You can see immediately how frothy it's getting. If I didn't want it to be super frothy, obviously I could just put it deeper in the milk and it wouldn't make it frothy. If you're just looking to use this to blend, say, any type of shake or mixed drink. But I am incredibly impressed how it can take such a little bit of milk and really, really froth it up. So maybe you're using this for your morning cappuccino or latte. This would really give you what you're looking for. And as you can see, that's a lot of froth. So really, really impressive there. And then I think the easiest way to clean this is just a cup with a little bit of soapy water. And you just give it a quick spin. And that's really it. There's a little bit of soap on it, so maybe I'd rinse it off in the sink. But it is clean and ready for next time. And now it can just sit and air dry. This is a really nice frother. I know frothers are super, super simple tools, but they are also a lovely necessity for your kitchen, especially when you want to make any sort of frothy drink, or you just want to blend up something real quick without pulling out the blender. I hope this video helps you know whether or not this Beam Frother is right for you.